Now my government is no longer under IMF conditionalities. Me economic freedom fighter. Me say no, we should go and do a coup d'etat. What sense is that? Me ma buy no. You call IMF conditionalities. I say me economic freedom fighter. Obi ebe yi me free IMF ho. Yet me say the way yi me free IMF no more yenti yanko coup d'etat mfentu no. Na Ghana ni support to side we. Ma me papa nya sabe ne wo. Let's be real. What is the sense in it? Metiwe, I want jobs for the youth. I don't think a policy like one district, one factory is something I should embrace because I'm an economic freedom fighter. These factories are going to produce what we will consume and also export. And in any country, if you want your economy to grow, you must be able to produce. I say one kasa utumi den, who produce niyama obeden, ubedi. Onyama ubedi de say utumi dua bebre na wo anaso utumi manufacture bebre na wo kuro na wo yeden utimi no so. Enu nti metiwe me economic freedom fighter. Me pese me man no ojai niyama bebre ba se be okra fra ma no ne ba no because se wo kra niyama fra ma no ne ba no e sika e na wo koyeden. Odeko, you are taking money or you are changing your currency, the Ghana currency, and taking money to go and buy something from a manone. Now they are back. In this idea, and so to me, one kasa sebe. If you can do that thing in your own space and in your own country, it is a plus for you economically. One of the pillars of the economy is being able to produce for your own self. Productivity. Productivity is one of the biggest. A country being able to produce for itself. I'm an economic freedom fighter. There is a policy like one district, one factory. Government through private sector are putting up factories and reviving old factories that are dead so that we can have more jobs. Because with jobs, our youths are going to have the capacity to take care of themselves because on one kasa be ye adwuma no one kasa no one kasa pay. Enti factories no enya say de ayankasa ye be consume keke na brain and I say ete ye niama ye krafra manone no so na mbom esan so de adwuma bre mabunu no ama mabunu no nya adwuma ye ama sika ba omo nsem na omo so matumi de ayeden omo de ahyehye omo daache. And this is a economic freedom fighter. Now catch them say government the one district one factory aba. Now catch them say our government nimbo yanko coup d'etat mfentuna. Na chere baby a free ba. Ope say NDC ba power keke. Say the be a ubenya baby ashe. You are not about Ghana. Because you are champion in say and kolenya jumanya. These are the things you are saying. You want the kids to have a job, you want Nkolano to get a job, you want Nkolano to get a job. That is fine. Now there is a factory which will bring what? Which will bring jobs. So one district, one factory should be something. And Kamene Oliver Wemavoa and I would have put more pressure on the government to build more of these factories and also to resuscitate those ones now that has been, depleted or otherwise immobile. But instead, we rather hate the president now, by now, or no the one district, one factory, abana. Not only say didn't nyoma ye be here or man beba na yenya bi so dia kwa ma no ne akoton wenya foreign exchange no e de adwuma so breyen adwuma de breyen e bi ne sen akuafo e bekwa akofa raw material de aba e benya adwuma akuafo e bekwa akofa raw material ne de aba e benya adwuma woni a wo mo be process raw material no so no wo mo so anya adwuma ade a ye de sa raw material ne be ye no eno so no e create adwuma. 1 year ebeba befa no wholesale enya adwuma 1 year ebeba betu afri wholesale for no ho akoton so enya adwuma wo mo beba beton afri store e de akom bojo kon tabletop so akoton no so no almost enya adwuma. So you can see the effect of factories if they are properly built and properly situated. You can see the impact it can have on unemployment. If our problem is reducing the unemployment gap, if the freedom fighters really claim say unemployment bafoma, then one district, one factory should be one of the champion policies. And some could be our trying to say you should join. But no, they don't. Why? Because when we first started, okay, when we first started, say Edward Asamoah, I see you are making sense. Say when we first started, say you basically one district, one factory. I remember clearly. Say yenya NDC for Ebijina Hoka say one district, one factory. No, a sham, a fallacy, a sloganarian. To the point, say Dr. Spiogabra Ebijina Hoka say MPP for the Bragio. Now, Omokra, you almost see 1,000 factories. This was what Dr. Spiogabra said. Almost see 1,000 factories. The sad thing is, 1,000 factories, you know, almost to me and China, baby, or and I say, Juma, and I say, Juma Muti. But a Akufo Addo buy or castle, no, or see factories, you know. Obia ni Ghana, or Becca, me say, oh, who say factory 1 or 2 be Espringo Ghana, which is also the problem I have with these people called communicators. How do you tell me, say, your government is making all these things, your government is building all these factories, yet you are not able to speak on them, yet you are not able to pinpoint, say, Oko Senya Brikua, one day straight factory, Bakusiwa, say ni say no more, Oko Akoti Agomwa, one day straight one factory, say ni say no more. And it's not said that like the, how do you call it? Like the physical edifice, no, it's not there. It's there. You can see it. Casa de Ropa, Oko Central Region, Casa de Ropa, you'll be able to see Casa de Ropa say, Omo the potatoes, brudo, the potatoes, chips, the potatoes, and making so many things, cakes, and all of that. Air cost Ghana. It is one district, one factory. It is a go be cry about program. So no BBC say one district, one factory, no man can ever here. Nanka wabachi and say Casa de Ropa, sa ebrudo we are wooing, sa croissant we are wooing. Sa chips we are wooing, yeah, the potato na ye, na ye yen wa ye man yemu. The Adebane say, one way do a potato na ye juma. One way beko to Edia Faka, diaba, drivers ye juma. Factory a ye debe munosono, process na ye beye fwenye juma. Ye product ni we are. One way beba fa brudo, nene chips na ye na cotton wholesale no, one way nye juma. One more baby to every wholesale for no what they are cotton so near Juma. One more baby no store musabeton and yes, Brudo, no, one more so near Juma. Into Casa de Ropa alone is providing employment for teaming unemployed people now they work Ghana. These are the things we are supposed to see. As okay, I believe some of the videos now that has to do with one district, one factory. These are evidential. These are niyama ewohwa odi wani beye den ebehu. Enti so we be dino ka cho say omo ka so omo beye factory no no aka che say tukwan na kohwe. Na untukwan na kohwe akra no ho no kra no bebri na ewo ho. So what you say? If you are able to remind Ghanaians and sell to Ghanaians, say na yaye na hane wa. Yes, ebinumo de baby umbejina but most of them say there be saban way within with all the pressure say wo etumi aye sade we dia. Then what we can also do is to push it and make sure say I den akwanim. My yenti away kakra myself. Why, but audio body, I can't hear the volume though.
Oh, who the kasa? Let me just who can was I'm not me in the background for you.
Yeah.